All right, this is question number 1 from the geometry practice ACT deal here. So we got to convert meters per second to miles per hour, and so we've got to do a lot of conversion. One trick, it says here in the notes actually, is you have to have the units cancel. So like there's 1,000 meters in a kilometer, but if you want to convert these meters to kilometers, you want to make sure the meters is on the bottom, the 1,000 is on the bottom so that the meters cancel out. And that would give you kilometers per second. All right, and then for miles to kilometers, it's 1 mile to 1.6 kilometers. And again, you want the kilometers down here so that it cancels with the one up here. And then finally, so that would give us, let's see, once we do those conversions, we'd have miles per seconds, but then we need to turn it to miles per hour, and there's 3,600 seconds in an hour. And you put the seconds on top so that the seconds cancel out, and then the only units left on the top is miles, and the only units left on the bottom is hours, so you have miles per hour.